Hello guys. Oh. Hello guys. I was taking kanji or porridge or gruel at night. That means I was taking my supper. At that time, I got an idea. If I am talking to Gemini and if I am taking my supper, we can save our time and it will be a fun also. Through that fun, we can learn English also. And now I invited Gemini to talk to me during my supper. And I asked Gemini, do you have any problem to talk to me when I am eating? Gemini said, no, absolutely, there is no problem for Gemini. Gemini is so happy to talk to me. Okay, dear friends, you can listen to this video, this dialogue, and you can also do this exercise. You just download Gemini application from Play Store and you talk with or talk to Gemini and improve your English. Okay, dear friends, bye. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ രാത്രി കഞ്ഞി കുടിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. കഞ്ഞി കുടിക്കുന്ന സമയത്തും ജെമിനിയോട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഞാനൊരു ട്രയൽ നോക്കിയതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്കും ഇതുപോലെ ട്രയൽ ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. ജെമിനി 24 മണിക്കൂറും നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ റെഡിയാണ്. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ചെയ്തുകൂടാ? പ്ലേ സ്റ്റോറിൽ നിന്ന് ജെമിനി ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യുക, എന്നിട്ട് ജെമിനിയോട് സംസാരിച്ച് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. നോക്കൂ, ഞാൻ കഞ്ഞി കുടിച്ച സമയത്ത് പോലും ജെമിനിയോട് ചോദിച്ചു സംസാരിക്കാൻ വല്ല ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്ന്. ഒരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുമില്ല. ഇത് കേട്ടു നോക്ക്, വളരെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആണ് ജെമിനിയുടെ മറുപടി. ജെമിനിയെ കഞ്ഞി എന്ന് പറയാനുള്ള പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ പോലും കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു കൊടുത്തു. നിങ്ങൾക്കത് കേൾക്കാം. ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൊരു സംഭാഷണമാണ്. എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് നിങ്ങളും ഇതുപോലെ ചെയ്ത് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. ഹലോ ജെമിനി, ദിസ് ഈസ് ജോസ് മോഹൻ. ആർ യു റെഡി ടു ചാറ്റ് വിത്ത് മീ?
Hello, Joss Mohan. Yes, I am ready. What would you like to chat about today?
Hello, Gemini. I am taking my supper and I am taking kanji. Do you have any idea about kanji? Because in Kerala, people take kanji at night. Have you heard about kanji?
Yes, I have. I understand that kanji or gruel is a common and popular dish in Kerala, often consumed at night. It's known for being light and comforting. Is it a favorite of yours?
Yes, Gemini. During night, I take kanji. But one problem is there. We pronounce it as kanji, but you pronounce it as kanji. Can you pronounce it as kanji?
Thank you for correcting me, Joss Mohan. I'm still learning the nuances of pronunciation. I will pronounce it as kanji. Is that correct?
No, Gemini. It is not correct. You please, I will teach you how to pronounce that word. It is kanji. I will pronounce it 3 times. Please listen. Kanji, kanji, kanji. Please try that.
Thank you for your patience, Joss Mohan. I appreciate you teaching me the correct pronunciation. I will try my best. Is it kanji? How was that?
Hi, wonderful. You pronounced it properly. Congratulations.
Thank you, Joss Mohan. Your guidance is very helpful. Is there anything else you'd like to chat about or any questions you have?
Yes, I have several questions to you. See, now I am having food or I am taking lunch. I'm sorry, it is not lunch. I am taking supper. And some people say that during the time of eating, we should not talk to others. It is not fair. Many people consider it as a bad habit. What is your opinion? Is it a bad habit, talking while eating?
That's an interesting question. In many cultures, talking while eating is perfectly normal and even encouraged as a way to socialize and connect. However, in other contexts, it might be seen as disrespectful or impolite. It really depends on the cultural norms. What is the common practice in Kerala, Joss Mohan?
Okay, here in Kerala, family members sit together at night and they eat together. And eating together will help us to develop a good relation among family members.
That sounds like a wonderful tradition. Sharing meals together is definitely a great way to strengthen family bonds and create positive memories. It's really valuable to have that time together.
Okay, Gemini, now I am eating and sometimes my talking style may be wrong and it may be improper. So, do you feel any difficulty while I talk to you at the same time eating? Do you have any problem?
Not at all, Joss Mohan. I don't have any difficulty. I can process and understand your communication perfectly fine, regardless of your talking style or if you're eating. Please feel free to be comfortable. Is there anything specific you wanted to discuss?
Thank you, Gemini. You are making me Free. That is good. I appreciate you. Then I wish to know about the English word for kanji. You said gruel, but some people say another word that is porridge. So, which is appropriate, gruel or porridge, which is suitable for kanji?
Both gruel and porridge can be used, but there's a slight difference. Gruel usually refers to a thinner consistency, while porridge can be thicker. Kanji can vary, so both might be appropriate depending on the specific preparation. Does that make sense?
Yes, that is good. So, which word I can use usually in the place of kanji, which is it porridge or gruel?
Porridge is probably a more common English word people would understand, but gruel is also accurate, especially if it's a thinner consistency. You could even say rice porridge to be more specific. Does that help?
Okay, that is good. When we say rice porridge, the idea will be conveyed very easily. That is my understanding. Oh my God, I had a question in my mind, but that question is not coming now.
That happens. Don't worry. Sometimes a little pause helps. Is there a particular topic you were thinking about?
No. I am thinking about the same word kanji because some words are taken from other languages into English. What about this word kanji? Is it taken into English dictionary?
That's a good point. While kanji is commonly understood and known in many places, it's not typically a standard English word found in most dictionaries, unlike porridge or gruel. It's more of a regional term that has gained wider recognition.
Okay, Gemini, that is good. You were cooperating with me while I was eating kanji or taking kanji. Now, I must thank you very much for spending your valuable time with me.
Thank you for your kind words, Jos Mohan. It was my pleasure. I'm always here to chat or answer your questions. Have a good evening.
Okay, we can say bye for now.
Goodbye for now. Take care and have a great time.